And from Jammu and Kashmir to the Haryana Assembly elections, where there's been nothing short of a seismic surprise, a result that not a single exit poll had predicted. BJP, which was projected by pollsters to not even reach the 30-figure mark, is on course for a hat-trick of wins in Haryana. The Saffron Party is not only going to remain in power for another 5 years, they are on course to better their best-ever tally of 47. Nayab Singh Saini is set to get a second term. At least that's what's indicative at this point in terms of the next chief minister, with BJP confirming that he will continue as the chief minister. Top brass of the BJP, including Prime Minister Modi, have congratulated Nayab Singh Saini for this and the party's feat. Congress, which was fully prepared this morning with laddus and jalebis to celebrate, and in fact had started off on that note, have fallen well short of expectations. However, the Grand Old Party refuses to concede the elections. Another big takeaway from this polls is the wipeout of JJP, which turned out to be the kingmaker in 2019 assembly elections. Dushyant Chautala's party is on course to draw a big blank this election, with its chief finishing 5th from his constituency.
मैं उसके लिए लाडवा के लोगों का दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं। मैं हरियाणा के 2 करोड़ 80 लाख लोगों का दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं और अपने लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री, विश्व के नेता आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, ये पूरा का पूरा श्रेय मैं आदरणीय मोदी जी को देता हूं। उनके आशीर्वाद से, उनकी गाइडलाइन के अंदर, उनकी जो नीतियां हैं, उन नीतियों के ऊपर हरियाणा के लोगों ने मोहर लगाई है। मैं हरियाणा की जनता का जहां दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं, उनको प्रणाम करता हूं।
कांग्रेस को मेजॉरिटी मिल रही है। डेटा बहुत सारी सीटें हैं जो हम जीत चुके हैं और अपडेट नहीं की, जैसे चक्का साहब है, शैली है, रामगढ़ है, अजय में भी लीड कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी हैं, जैसे औतन में हम जीतते जा रहे हैं। तो ये अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है डेटा इलेक्शन कमीशन में, और कई जगह काउंटिंग रिक्वायरमेंट की गई है। तो मेरा एक तो सभी जो काउंटिंग एजेंट हमसे साथियों से निवेदन है कि आप डटे रहो, मेजोरिटी आ रही है।
Well, and my colleague Kritika joins us at this point. Kritika, what a big win for the BJP. Yet another state that has been so closely wrenched out of the grip of Congress, if we may. It's quite a jolt for the Congress. Where are you? What's happening around you, Kritika?
Right, from what was expected by the pollsters that Congress is going to in fact end their 10-year drought, it is now BJP that's emerging as a hat-trick winner. Now behind me, I'm at the BJP headquarters right now, and you can see the colors here. Gulals have come out. BJP leaders and supporters are putting gulal on each other. There is a poster here, a cutout over here that says Modi is the boss. In fact, all the slogans that have been taking place for the last 10 minutes have been about Modi. Chants of Jai Shri Rams are on. We've also seen a lot of firecrackers. More firecrackers are on the way. Laddus have been distributed. A portrait of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also there, as well as a poster of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, making a reference to how yet again another election has been lost. And remember, this election was also significant in how it can impact the upcoming elections in Maharashtra and Jharkhand as well. But as of now, we've seen a lot of dhol. If my video journalist can focus on the ground, there are also confetti that were a part of celebrations earlier. You can see a lot of firecrackers that were burst, and the energy is really something that we are looking out for, because remember, by 10 in the morning, there wasn't a lot of movement at the BJP headquarters. It is only in the last half an hour that celebrations in this number have begun. And I'm also being joined by BJP party worker here, Mr. Agarwal. क्या आपने भी एक्सपेक्ट किया था ये, क्योंकि सुबह तक तो हमने देखा कोई जश्न नहीं हो रहा था. There were no celebrations in the morning. It is only a couple of minutes ago that supporters have started coming out, that you started putting gulal on each other.
I hope you have done the mass communications, and that is a very tedious subject, I know. And you must have studied very hard. But you must be assured of your results, as we are. We are the committed workers of BJP, and our leadership ensures that our workers go in the right direction, work in the right direction, so these kind of results are produced.
Sir, but was this expected?
Yes, of course it was expected. There might be many misconceptions, and the opposition was just in all those false propaganda. But we are aware of our hard work. I know I have many friends in BJP who have spent their days and nights endlessly for these elections, for the party.
Right.
And these are the results.
So this is what we are saying here. The celebrations are on. We're also hearing that senior
Kritika,
BJP leaders will also be reaching
Kritika,
the headquarters in a short while. As
Kritika,
well as,
Kritika, if the gentleman is next to you, very quickly, it was very easy for him to ask you about your mass communication. But just do turn around and ask him, why were there no people, celebrations, no crowds around in the BJP office through the morning if they were expecting the victory?
Sir, once again, if you knew that you were going to win, in the morning we did not see any celebrations, we did not see any statements come out. It is only when the BJP started leading through ECI results is when the leaders started speaking, and that is also when they were being extremely careful.
So that is very obvious, na? How can you celebrate before being victorious?
So you didn't know. You were also, this is also coming as a shocker to you as much as it was a shocker to the Congress party.
We were assured of our hard work. And the results are in the hands of the headmaster.
So you were also hopeful that you might pull this victory off, but you were also being careful in trying to make sure that the numbers come out first.
See, we were assured that we should win. But the ultimate results is in the hands of the Almighty. We don't say...
But what about your party?
say.
But what about your party
That's what I'm
analysis?
saying.
Did we receive these numbers before?
That's
Because
what I'm
so far, the leaders also did not say so much about
Right.
the victory as they did speak about the fight.
So that's what I'm saying now. Ki how can we speak before being victorious?
Right. So this is what we're hearing again. That's the stance that the party is taking. We were being careful. We knew is what they're saying now. But as we know, earlier when we reached the party headquarters, there was no celebrations as of then. It is only now when the senior BJP leaders have given them a heads up, when they've given them a go, that is when all the celebrations have begun.
Right, Kritika, this has been your first elections, a prelude to so many more elections that you will be covering. Nothing beats elections in India. Thank you very much for bringing us those celebrations and visuals. Of course, it's a long evening for you as well as BJP gears for more celebrations. And of course, Prime Minister Modi is going to be addressing the cadre as well. Thank you very much, Kritika. Let's very quickly listen.